We'll guide you through how to download and install the Amazon Alexa app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's really convenient to go and have this app for going and using with your Alexa. So we're going to guide you through this. You need to make sure you've got an internet connection on your device, whether that is via Wi-Fi or cellular data or mobile data. Now you need to open up your phone store. So on its Android here, we've got the Play Store. On an iPhone, you've got the App Store. You get the idea. So open up your store. Now the quickest way to go and find this is to go to the bottom and press search. Then you can press the search bar at the top and you want to go and type in Alexa. And you can go and search for that like so. And as you can see, here we have Amazon Alexa. So you can go and press install over to the right, or you can tap on it and press install here. Now you need to go and wait for this to go and download. It'll go and say pending. You'll go and know that it will complete because the cancel button will change to an open. So it's downloading and it's then going to go and install. You can see it's finished. We could go and press open there. Also, you can come out of here and swipe up. Keep swiping across. You can even go and search for the top of needed. When you find it, tap and hold your finger on it. And you can go and press add to home. Then it'll be added and you can easily access it.